came off me that night, just like a jet plane, in and out of sight. I was hauling ass at 1,000,000 miles an hour, wondering how hard I'd hit. When they came into the station, they said I was bad beyond repairs. I have no qualms with my situation. Say, here I am. So say, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to? Say, Cherie, 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 won't you dare to? Say, Cherie, Cherie, Cherie. Yeah. Leave a message and your number, please. Take your time to want to satisfy me. Take all these old fantasies and send them care of me. Oh, what is happening, good people? Happy Monday. What's that Pikachu in the back called? I don't know. It's just a Pikachu backpack. I got it at a yard sale. And I figured I'd sell it for $1 million. And then when I found out it wasn't worth $1 million, I was like, screw that. But you see, you can zip him open. I'll take $500,000 for him. Yeah! Right, Chimpy? In a westerly direction, this car is my train. I've been driving, I've been wondering what it is I'm running from again. Feel like an 80-year-old man holding on to 29. And up ahead on that horizon is California line. Up ahead, trucks carrying a wide load, prefab house cut in half, cute little front door and 2 windows, my love. Ain't sure whether to cry or should laugh. You see, I broke a home up myself once. There's a stumble to that door. I read a note by the dawn's light, and it said, don't you come round here anymore. Well, I've had enough of this freedom of the road. Never was good with sunshine. At least that's what I've been told. That champion sure can sing. What is happening, good people? What do you want to do tonight? We can make pictures. We can play with agents. Trying the TOC. Oh, trying the talk for a change. Been a while. Nice. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, if you're on the talk, feel free to share the live. Apparently, Mr. Brandon's like, you got to switch it up, man. Let's go to the other cam, man. Don't get heavy on my scene, man. I don't know why he's talking like a 60s beatnik poet, but he is. Aw, Source Camp, long day, need a little champy tonight. That's beautiful. Oh, my shirt was harsh in the vibe. Yeah, sorry about that. This woman works. I finally had a chance to listen in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you heard a little champy action. Through a blue telescope, looking at the world tonight. Blue telescope, I wish I might not see what I see. Sheet metal on sheets of ice. Looking through this blue telescope, down a moonstruck road tonight. What's happening, deployer? Good to see you. What are you deploying these days? Not your quant screaming. Yeah, it's really unoriginal over there on the X. Everyone's copying each other's message. One of you should trademark that. Hey, Kyle. Hey, that's mine. That's mine. I said that. Oh, man. Oh, Lordy. Sounds like a music collab is in order. Michael Weinstein, what's happening, buddy? Have you been playing around with Suno by any chance? You could do some crazy shit with your music. Hey, deployer and not your quant, if you're in here to sell crypto shit or try to scam me, please don't. Just go away. Not interested. Would love to explore how to make a video to help share my new web app, Carebell Call. Explore how to make a video to help share my new web app. It's not a scam, it's an investment opportunity. Hi, Mr. Shannon. Fantastic to hear you. Got a fantastic investment opportunity for you. All we're going to need is your Solana wallet. We're going to go ahead and sell some crypto over here. We're going to put the proceeds into your wallet for you, if you're down with that. Fantastic opportunity. No, thank you. Please go away. If you just give us your Solana wallet, you can make money with ChatGPT. Anyway, Michael Weinstein, we should do something. My problem with playing my guitar with you on the piano is you actually know how to play the piano. I know the 17 songs I know. So if you can give me the tabs, we can do something. We'll get started here in a minute. I'm just dicking around. We'll start with your 17 songs, and yes, love Suno. You know, tomorrow we've got AI Salon Presents. We've got a guy named Robert Stubbs who's going to be speaking, and he's a motion graphics guy, and he's like all in on AI. And I asked him, like, what was your, did you have a freak out moment? And he was like, no, like it's like a way I can get ideas out of my head. And he's really excited about it. So it's actually good to hear you, Michael, that you're playing with Suno and having a good time with it. I mean, I'm firmly convinced that musicians, like talented musicians, are going to be able to do things with Suno that non-musicians won't. And they'll be able to do cool shit on their own because of Suno. I mean, here's the thing about AI. It ain't going away. Like crypto bros. They ain't going away. They're going to be there. You just deal with them. AI is not going to go away. So you got two options. You deal with it or not. And if it's a not, then yeah, it's going to just suck. It might suck if you deal with it. But at least you'll have regained your own agency. So that's really cool, Michael. We should catch up. You and I haven't talked in, I don't know, too long. But okay, can I just say this? You're all over my damn TikTok now, playing your big red piano. You got all these incredible singers singing incredible songs, and you're just back there like the hippest accompanist in all of the TikTok land. How did that happen? I mean, talent, obviously. It's good to see you, but let's catch up. Drop me an email. Let's talk. There's a new AI platform for motion graphics, but I can't remember the name. Oh, that's cool. Thanks, brother. We'll catch up. We'll reach out. Yeah, please do. It'd be good to catch up. I'd like to just hear what you're up to, tell you what I'm up to, and we're over here changing the world. I don't know if you knew that, but got a thing going called the Great Repurpose. Teaming up with other communities, trying to help people figure out what the fuck they're going to do with their lives when this AI stuff decimates everything. Oh man, are you still doing the direct marketing stuff? I would imagine that AI is an absolute boon for that industry. You and I here all alone, Sunday morning here at home. Sky's blue and the coffee's strong, it's true. Then I open my eyes to a dream realized in front of me, and I haven't got a clue what in the world has happened to me. I think I'm happy, like first day of summer vacation. Happy, gotta get a little rest and relaxation. Happy, like the choir on Sunday morning saying true. Ooh, sister, when you cook that way, sweet distraction rules my day. Kitchen table just might break from the sound of you and I rocking our bodies. Yeah, I don't understand why I wasn't your lover man 100 years ago. Fella's gonna have to understand. Tip the hats to the man who scored. I think I'm happy, like first day on vacation, happy. Kyle, so either of your boys play guitar with you? No, you know, little shitheads. Here's the deal about having kids. Okay. So I grew up and I got no musical stuff. And then my mom, before I went to college, she bought me a ukulele. She goes, teach yourself to play this and maybe you'll get the girls. And that was bad. And then I got a bad guitar. So I taught myself. And then my kids, I have kids, right? And I'm like, this is going to be so fucking awesome. And so it was in New Canaan, Michael Weinstein. I went to the music store in New Canaan, took the boys there when they're like 9, 10. And I'm like, I have them pick out electric guitars. We buy them electric guitars, little amps. I'm like, they're going to be fucking rock stars. Nothing. They didn't give two shits about the guitar. I'm like, it's right here. You got a dad. I sound like Bill Burr right now. You got a dad. He's going to support you as a little fucking rock star. I don't really care about that. Can we play Warhammer? God damn it. You try to be a hip dad. What do you get? Nothing. They don't care. They don't care. You know who sings with me now? A dog. A dog. That's my rock and roll buddy. Kids are still like, we're gonna play Warhammer. Their voices are deeper. It's the same attitude. And a fine puppy he is. He is a fine puppy. One note wonder. He's got that one note he sings is solid. So I figured we could do some Nano Banana tonight if we wanted to do that. It's not a scam. It's an investment opportunity. Hey, listen. Welcome to the AI Learning Lab. I'd like to talk to you about a little investment opportunity. We've got a new coin here at the AI Learning Lab. It's $AILL. If you just put your Solana wallet right in the comment. It's so fucking exhausting. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord. I figured we could do some Nano Banana because Nano Banana 2 is out. And it might be interesting to do some testing with that and see if we can get it to break. I'm sure we can break it pretty quickly. I've also got access to Perplexity Computer. And then I also just saw a tutorial for Claude Cowork. It was like, you're not using Claude Cowork right. And then I've also got Adam, my little OpenClaw agent, and I'm slowly starting to get my head around how to do the back end with him. It's a pain in the ass. But today, a brand new model came out, the QWEN series, QWEN, small little models that are quite good. Thoughts on ad mesh? I don't know ad mesh. I don't know it. So where I tend to focus on this channel, I tend not to focus on open source, although with OpenClaw, I am using open source models, but that's a rarity. I think OpenClaw is a really important platform to understand. It feels, someone described it to me today, and I thought this was quite apt. Peter Kaminsky, who's a guy I really respect. he was talking about there's kind of three trains right now. There's sort of the train that people are on, that if you're aware of what's going on with AI, you're looking at the people on that train and going, the bridge is out up there. You know the bridge is out up there, right? And they're like, hey. We're like, no, you should get on this train, jump over, because your bridge is out. They're like, hey. And then there's this train. And this train is like the train we've been on here. Prompting and call and response kind of computing. AdMesh connects your brands to users the moment they ask for help, compare options, look for solutions, built for brands, agencies, and AI platforms. Yeah, I don't know it. That sounds cool. Agentic AI ad network. That's cool. So focus of this. I tend not to play in the open source thing. I tend to play with commercial models. So the train in the middle here is just like ChatGPT, Claude, the major image models, the major video models, just basic sort of input stuff. And then this new train is all this agentic stuff. And OpenClaw really represents, it's kind of the first breakthrough technology since ChatGPT that feels like it's changing the game. I mean, there's a couple of things that changed the game. Claude Opus 4.6, or I guess it was 4.5 in December. Whatever happened in December, whatever Claude had going on in December, I think it was 4.5 Opus. All of a sudden, the programming community just went, up, game's over. We can just program with this now. We don't need to code anymore. And that's been getting better and better and better. So there's an acceleration happening where the models are just getting really good now. And then this agentic thing, this new agentic thing is like a separate train. And people that get on that train is accelerating away from this train, and this train is accelerating away from the train where people are like, I don't like AI. You know what I did? I went to that, what is it? They call it the chat GTP. I went to the GTP, right? The PT, the jet, anyway, whatever it is. And I went in there and I was like, give me a recipe for succotash. And it looked like a good recipe, but then I looked at the ingredients. I'm like, man, this sounds horrible. That's not succotash. And so I haven't used it. Like, those people are on that train. It's trouble. It's trouble right here in River City. That train is bridge out up ahead. So anyway, okay. There's some professional musicians whose kids don't even know they play. You're still slightly ahead. According to Sabrina, definitely do not connect OpenClaw to Claude or Gemini through your non-API account. Yeah, they'll ban your account. That's correct. So I'm happy to talk about what I've learned about OpenClaw, but it's kind of boring, esoteric bullshit. But one of them is OpenAI still allows you to use your $20 a month subscription to do things on OpenClaw. Gemini and Google do not. It's against all three of their terms of service, but OpenAI has said they're going to allow it because they just hired Peter Steinberger, who created OpenClaw, and he's now working for them. So, what are we going to do? What do you want to do? Hi. Hey. What's happening? Yeah. Tonight at the AI Learning Lab, we're going to explore some ASMR. So if you put on headphones, turn them up real sweet. I'll just be here eating caramels, maybe a hot dog. Should I eat cake? I think I might. You probably shouldn't do that. That's creeping me out. May we talk to you about encapsulating our memory in ChatGPT? Yes, so it can be exported. I watched those videos. I'm so sorry. Hey, you have the lights on? Why don't you turn them off? Who's that creepy guy on the YouTube you watch? I don't like to talk about it. I think tonight is just going to be a series of awkward moments. We had crypto scammers in here. Now we're doing ASMR. What next? Twerking? Oh my God. Are there any AI tools for Claude configurable, connectable to GitHub? Certainly if you're using Claude code, you can connect it to GitHub or GitHub to it. The AI Learning Lab is like a box of chocolates. Yeah, and tonight they're all the ones with toothpaste in them. Those ones you take a bite of and you're like, trying to figure out where to spit it. Let's see. Here's my reticence with playing with agentic systems on the live, is that it's not very visual and it's going to be boring. And if your response right now is, well, this is already boring, that's the correct answer. So I'll do whatever the fuck you all want to do. Sounds like the SNL NPR ladies. It does. Yeah. Hey. No, I'm so excited to see his sweaty balls. Oh, good Lord. What do I want to do? I know what I'm going to do. We're going to tell you about the AI Salon, the AI Salon. All right, Brandon, do me a favor. Pop up the ye old domain name. There you go. Oh, and look, we have a new welcome page. This is very exciting. Look how cool this is. Okay, so if you come to the community.thesalon.ai and you're like, what is that community? Is it a community center? Do you have the shuffle puck? We have not had a potluck dinner yet, but the committee is discussing it. But if you're looking for people who are curious about AI and adaptable and human-centric and trying to figure out what all this AI stuff means and try to figure out and practice what we call AI readiness, right? Like, it is my firm belief that right now you cannot be AI literate. You can't be. Well, I know prompt engineering. I don't care. There's no way to keep up with what's happening and how fast it's moving. But what you can be is ready. You can be AI ready. And so in the salon, we practice what we call AI readiness. And the cycle of AI readiness is this really simple, I don't know, 3-step cycle. And it is a cycle. You just keep rolling through these things. And the first one is play first. And play is about play. People eating desserts in their cars. Natalie, you're here. Okay. Play first is about playing with AI without expectations. Instead of going into AI thinking like, I've got to figure out how to make emails more efficient. Take what you already know and make it more efficient. That's how we've always used computers. The thing about generative AI is it makes a whole unimaginable amount of things possible that you can't imagine are possible. So playing is about having a little joy while you're in this not knowing what's possible state. And what you end up discovering is, holy shit, I can do that. It can do that. I had no idea. Right? Create excellence is once you learn some stuff, now you can start to think about, What do I want? What do I want to make? Who do I care about? Do I want to do something for them? Is it my business? Is it my family? Is it someone in the community? Create excellence. And then generously lead is share what you're learning along the way. There's almost 4,000 people in the AI Salon. They are an incredibly generous, loving, talented, curious, adaptable group of people. And why that is because they're willing to share what they learn. And they're also willing to ask for help when they don't know something, which gives someone else an opportunity to share what they know, right? And so that's what the thing's all about. So come in and check it out. And we have a new landing page here. It tells you all the different things that you can do within the salon, point you to different areas. Tells you some of the things going on, like Friday office hours, AI Salon Presents, which is next Tuesday. Tomorrow, not next Tuesday. Well, it is. The next Tuesday is tomorrow. Check out Introduce Yourself with Sound. Good Lord. I've got to change my sharing then. All right, we're going to introduce yourself. What are we looking for? Is it supposed to do something? Scroll down. Oh, what's this? New feature alert. I'm super excited to launch a new segment, Community Corner with producer Brandon. Shout out to our first victim guest, Gareth Hood. Want to see some? This is cool.
Neighborhood events to uplifting stories. This is Community Corner with producer Brandon.
This is awesome.
Gareth, I want to thank you because you're my first guinea pig. We are starting a new series in the AI Salon called Community Corner with producer Brandon. And you are our first guest. And
hey, listen, we're not going to ruin it. We're not going to ruin it for you. You should go watch producer Brandon. This is awesome, producer Brandon. Okay, good. This is good. See, this is good. This is why you go to the AI Salon. So go there. Okay, go there. Join and introduce yourself. Banana, but Kyle. Hey, Kyle. I don't know anything about AI. I don't know anyone. I know. Every single person in the AI Salon, that's how they started. And here's the thing. There are communities out there that, are a little full of themselves. We're excellent at artificial intelligence. Please join us. They don't want you to join them. The AI Salon's really cool. Introduce yourself. I think it's one of the most important things you can do right now, to be quite honest. Things are about to get really surreal in the world of work. AI is about to sort of, it is in the process of breaking through and breaking out. And this year's going to get weird. It's going to get weird. Jobs are going to get weird. Just shit's going to get weird. I can't imagine going through what we're about to all go through. And to be clear, all of us are going through this, whether you're into AI, not into AI, a master at it, a novice at it. We're all about to go through some shit. I can't imagine doing it alone. Like, I just can't. That's why the AI Salon exists, so that we can all sort of deal with whatever's happening together. Oh, cool. So last month, we introduced a new concept in the AI Salon called our monthly theme. Last month, the theme was signal. This month, the theme is motion. And so there's going to be weekly prompts and all sorts of things. As you think about AI, think about motion. Maybe you make a video. Maybe you create images that are motion-like. Maybe you write words that capture that somehow. Maybe you create a 3D physics simulator that combines Newtonian physics and quantum mechanics in some sort of mashup that breaks people's brains, or at least looks cool. All right. Did you see the new model that can go on your phone? I did. It's called QWEN 3.5. The one that can go on your phone is 2B, 2 billion parameter model. It's quite good. And I installed Adam now, my ClaudeBot agent is now running on the 4 billion parameter model, and it's looking pretty good. And so I'm thinking we might just bite the bullet and get a Mac Mini and run the 9 billion parameter model, maybe the 14. I don't know. We'll see. But they look really good, these new QWEN models. And who are the QWEN models by? Are they Alibaba? Or are they? I think they might be ByteDance, TikTok's people. Shit, I wouldn't put anything on my phone. Panda AI, that's awesome. It's Alibaba. Yeah. My philosophy right now is, well, I'm going very slow with OpenClaw. I'm just doing it little bits at a time, largely because I'm clueless. It's on a PC and I'm a Mac guy. And I'm just trying to like not be stupid. And so far so good. I didn't wake up to a $3,000 bill, API bill. I've got it running. So I've got it running now. The 4 billion parameter QWEN model, the 3.5 model, and it's pretty good. The fallback position is OpenAI Codex, which runs on my $20 a month subscription. And then if we wanted to actually do good writing or stuff like that, we can turn on Sonnet 4.6. And that's expensive, but it's not ridiculous. But like, we'll just use it in little dribs and drabs. All right. Okay, the announcements for the details of the theme. Wait, go to announcements. I'm still here. Hang on a sec. So if you go to Salon announcements, March in motion. All right, so motion is the theme for March. And we will do announcements about, prompts of the week and things like that. In the business area, where's business? Did I pass it? Life hacks here. Business with Kelly and Gwen. There's a contest. So the March in Motion contest, a 7-day sprint. March is about movement, not ideas sitting in notebooks, not someday automation plans, not another safe tool you might try. This month, inside AI for Business, we're creating real, visible business momentum. The challenge: choose one area for your business that feels slower than it should be, manual and repetitive, slightly chaotic, avoided, or stalled. And then over the next 7 days, use AI to reduce friction, implement the change, share the before and after. There you go, right there. A little play, figure out what the tools are, figure out what the problem is, solve the problem, and then share what you learned. Beautiful. That's awesome. All right. So go do that contest. Oh, Kelly won February. Nice. Awesome. Okay. All right. Okay, people. Let's go to Gemini, shall we? Change your tabs, you dummy. I really envy how outgoing you are, Kyle. I've been feeling way more disconnected as time goes on, and that makes me participate even less. Self-fulfilling prophecy. So archetypal, first of all, I feel for you. Couple of things. The oscillation that you're describing, a lot of people I know are going through that oscillation. I mean, Leah Fasten, that I co-founded the salon with, left the salon because she was like, I don't want to be associated with AI. I don't want to have to think about it as much as I've been thinking about it. And she left and she went, sort of down this analog rabbit hole back to photography. Now she's coming back out of it. And her latest projects she's talking about are all Midjourney projects and things like that. These oscillations of I want to check out, I want to check back in, I want to check out, I want to check back in, I think those are going to get more and more intense. I'm glad you're showing up here. Thank you for the acknowledgement of me being outgoing and that making a difference. I would strongly encourage you, go to salon events, connect with people. One of the things that I think we're going to start, I don't quite know what it looks like yet. I want to start what are effectively long-term cohorts within the AI Salon. And by long-term, I mean like get in a cohort of 6 to 8 people where you're going to meet on whatever schedule, once a week, once a month, whatever it is, but like do it for a year. There's something about building trust over time with a small group of people where if it's just 1 or 2 of you and someone decides to check out, it kind of wrecks the dynamic. If there's 12 or 15 or 20 of you, there's kind of too many people and it's chaos. There's something about this sort of 6 to 8 person group that it's got some resilience to it. So if 1 or 2 people check out, you still got some things going there. It allows people some flexibility, but you really get to know each other over time. And what'll happen is, and this happens in a couple of groups that I'm in, the one in particular, Content Evolution Collab, it started as like 8 or 10 of us, and it's sort of whittled down to like 6 or 7 that show up really consistently. Cindy Kuhn's one of them. I know she's here tonight. Kyle, if we make something with motion that isn't for the business club, where should we put it? Just inside Look What I Made or the community feed, Cindy. You can put it anywhere. Just tag it, do like a hashtag motion, and Brandon will look for that, and we'll boost it and make sure things get seen. But yeah, I would say participate in events, connect with people. I know it's weird right now. It's weird. There's some shifts going on. There's some like bigger things happening. Like there's bigger shit happening that is like out there, up and out. There's shit that's happening really tactically down at the noogly detail level, and then there's stuff that's about to crack at the business level and at the job level and things like that. So this is going to be a weird year. So thank you for sharing that. Source Camp. Hey, Brandon, I heard I won something. We've got swag. Should we send swag? I think we should send Kelly swag. We've got, they're out in the car. Do I have anything in here? I think I do. Hang on. So we've got super cool AI Salon notebooks, like moleskin notebooks with these rubber covers and the little elastic band. And yes, Brandon will be in touch with you, Kelly. So we've got these things, and then we've got these collapsible water bottles, which are really cool. They're like this small, and you go. And they open up. They have the Salon logo on them. They're like black rubber. They're really cool. So those are there. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, look what I made. Beautiful. Fantastic. Okay. Let's make some images. So I made an image with Nano Banana 2. Am I sharing my screen? I am, right? I said I wanted Jimmy Hoffa in the trunk of a 70s resto mod in an abandoned factory right across from Giant Stadium, which is, purportedly where Jimmy Hoffa is buried in one of the end zones. I fucking love New York. And then Nano Banana did pretty good. So apparently Nano Banana 2 has better prompt coherence, better quality, and really good at like the spelling and prompt coherence and things like that. So it says Giant Stadium. The S is a little screwed up. It's kind of a British pound sign, but the the car here, this Challenger, like a 71 Challenger, maybe a 70. I think it's a 71. I don't know. Who knows? That's pretty solid. So it's doing that thing good. But let's do new chat. We're gonna click on the create image button. Lord Digital God, lols. Chat like a mastermind. Did someone say they want to talk in OpenAI? Chat like a mastermind. All right, so let's see. So we've got a couple. Okay, here's something we can do. I have an idea. Okay, I'm going to upload a picture of me. And it's going to be interesting. What am I going to upload? I could have. Oh, I know what I'll upload. I know what I'll upload. This one. This one, I used AI to change. Oh, you can't see this. Damn it. I really don't like the way this shit works sometimes. Anyway, I've got a picture of me. So then I'm going to say monochrome. And then I'm just going to say the guy in the blue shirt standing outside a candy store in New York City in the 1950s in a long raincoat, waiting for the storm to pass. In the window of the candy store. You'll see where I'm going here. And if you're questioning why I'm typing and not talking, it's a very good question. So now I'll talk to type. Store are white balls. Why is that not working? Hang on. Oh, I might need to. This is not going to work. Store. Hello. Oh yeah. Okay. Store are white bowls with individually wrapped candies that include Mary Jane's, Tootsie Rolls, gumballs, cinnamon bears, gumdrops, bit of honey, and various other handmade confections, period. Each bowl has a label on it, handwritten with magic marker, of what's in the bowl, period. There's a sign that hangs on the window above the bowls that says, "There's never been a better time for sugar than now, period. Come on in, kids!" Exclamation point. Okay. All right. I think that's a fairly shitty prompt, but we'll see. The guy in the blue shirt stands outside of a, and so this is going to be a black and white image because I chose monochrome. And then we'll see the prompt coherence. Let's see what else. What else do we want in the store? Oh, On the other side of the store is a window that has a man standing at a large white marble table, stretching taffy above it. Period. There are kids looking in the window, mesmerized by the taffy pulling. Period. The taffy maker man is tall and skinny and looks creepier than someone who should be working in a candy store. Okay. All right. All right. How was the AI Learning Lab last night? Yeah, got a little dark. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. I learned something about image generation. There's a man in a trunk and some disturbing imagery at a candy store. That's all I'll say. That's it. La da da, la da da, la da da, la da da. The third OpenAI condition regarding social credit system was Black Mirror as fuck. Wait, the third OpenAI condition regarding social credit systems. Oh, I haven't seen that. Did they just launch that today? Come on in, kids. There's never been a better time for sugar than now. Come on in, kids. And we got some weird forced perspective on the taffy table there. But the kids sure are excited. I think the creepy guy here is not the taffy maker. I think it's the dude by the gumdrops. Yeah, but look here, Tootsie Rolls, correct. Mary Jane's, correct. Gumballs, Cinnamon Bears, Tootsie something. So Tootsie Roll showed up twice. Gumdrops, Cinnamon Bears, Bit of Honey, other confections. And it got this sign completely right. So that's pretty good. All right, cool. So now let's I'm going to turn off create image. I'm going to say, do some research on new varieties of bananas, and I bet he has a van too. Shut up. It's a Ford Flex. It's not a van. It's similar to a station wagon. Okay? And yes, it's got tinted windows. Okay? That's how it came from the factory. Okay? I think I actually did this in front of people. When my kids were little, when they were old enough to know better, but still kids. I would say, Zach, Ollie, what's the rule? Never get in the van with a stranger unless he offers you candy or he's lost a puppy. Either one of those, but never other than those two. And they'd be like, Dad. I also used to do donuts with them in the car. I had a Mustang GT, and I would just do donuts with them. Be like, Dad, stop! Slamming around. I don't think they have brain damage now. Much. I think they're relatively intelligent. I think they're good. Okay, do some research on new varieties of bananas. and 2 other tropical fruits of your choice. I want choice. I should spell choice with a C. I want to know countries, dollar amounts annually, and number of fruits and trends. All right. So we're going to have Gemini go do some research. And then I figure what might be good is just to say, after that research, we'll turn on make a picture and we'll say, make an infographic. Bananas beyond the Cavendish. And by the way, you know the story of the Cavendish banana, right? Do you know how when you eat banana candies, like shitty candy, like fake banana flavoring, you know how it tastes weird? You're like, that's not how bananas taste. And it's like, got that. You're like, what the fuck is that? And I don't know why you make that face when you say that, but you do. What's this? That extract is from bananas that no longer exist. There was a blight or whatever happens to bananas, a fungi, a blight. I don't know. And they replaced it with this Cavendish banana that just tastes like soap, like bland soap. All right. So anyway, so there's new bananas now. All right. The dragon fruit. And then the pulled pork of plants. Okay, great. So now we're going to go tools, create image, and I'm going to say, perfect. Make me a 16 by 9 wide infographic of this data with a global map in the background. Oops. Global map in the background. The fruits well represented. Lines of origin. Let's see, lines of origin. We'll see if it can figure out what that means. That's a shitty prompt. Lines of origin. A nice title that says, oh, this is good. The fruits of tomorrow. Exclamation point. The fruits of tomorrow. and then creative use of data visualization that makes it easy to understand, but clever as a dragon fruit. See what I did there? I am in a particularly idiotic mood tonight. Sorry about that. Sure, give the ADHD guy a driver's license. What could go wrong? Fruit of the Loom never had a cornucopia except in the Sinbad Genie movie. It did, though. Like sands through the hourglass, these are the fruits of tomorrow. I hope this... Oh, wow. It fucking did it. All right, let's zoom in on this thing. The fruits of tomorrow. Tonal and flavor spectrum. The ladyfinger, the rady finger, so it fucked that up. The blue Java, and it got the blue Java wrong. So it's missing a banana, whatever this red one is in the middle. New varieties, disease-resistant and organic, new applications. So there's the dragon fruit, Fibonacci spiral, 2026 forecast value, $20 billion in dragon fruit? No fucking way. Dragon fruit. The estimated global market value of dragon fruit alone is $20 billion. We're in the wrong fucking business. Jesus. My God. That can't be right. You can make money with dragon fruit. Here. You can make money with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to find you a dragon fruit supplier. Start an import-export business. Good Lord. Okay. That seemed like a typo. Yeah, it's a friggin' cactus fruit. That's amazing. Indonesia, China, and Vietnam. Amazing. And then the jackfruit. Isn't the jackfruit the one that smells like feet? And people are always like, oh. It's only 1.2 billion processed. Good luck getting fruit off a dragon, though. Uh-oh, what did I do? Sorry, I just shut down TikTok momentarily. No, that's a durian. Oh, the durian's the one that smells like feet. Okay. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit is the best tasting thing on the planet. Oh, all right. Well, if they're only doing 1.2 billion in jackfruit, that feels like if they're doing 20 billion in dragon fruit, that's feeling like a saturated market to me, because bananas are 147 billion. So dragon fruit, they're coming in hot. I think there's an opportunity here for jackfruit. Plant-based meat substitute, traditional meat, protein content, textural density. Anyway, with the exception of like naming the bananas wrong and the fact that I hate the style, I didn't give it a style. Oh, you know what we'll do? I know what we'll do. What, Kyle? Shh, calm down. Everybody just calm down. We're going to go on over to Midjourney. Midjourney. Okay, can we listen? There's a lot of people that I respect that call it Midjourney. It's Midjourney. Mid. The emphasis on it's on the mid, right? Skip to Bitcoin, go for dragon fruit. Yeah, exactly. Okay, Midjourney. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take a screenshot of this style in Midjourney, or Midjourney, as people say. Some people I know and love say Midjourney. It's not Midjourney. It's Midjourney. Right? Tell me I'm wrong. Oh, you didn't see that because I didn't share my tab. I know, producer Brandon. There's the style that we're going to copy. Okay? Now we're going to go back to Gemini. We're going to paste in that new style. No, we're not. Wait for it. 5. Instead of writing it to the desktop, we're going to capture it on the clipboard. We're going to come back here. We're going to share our tab so we don't get yelled at by producer Brandon. I'm going to paste in that and we say, recreate the image inspired by this style. Also, your banana section has typos and a missing banana type. Kyle, you're so mid. You're not giving main character vibes. Jackfruit is used a lot in vegan and plant instead of soy. Oh, that's interesting. That's Chef Kelly. She knows her stuff when it comes to food. Smells like Jimmy Hoffa's feet. Got me dreaming of Hawaii, seeing 40-pound fruits hanging directly off the trunk of huge trees by little sucker limbs. That's cool. By the way, Claude is having a service disruption, so you probably don't want to go there. Yeah, I know. There's all sorts of anything hosted on AWS. There's, because of the attacks in the Middle East, they're apparently attacking AWS data centers, and so a lot of the traffic from that region is being routed to other servers. So anything sitting on AWS, including my company, it's probably going to be disrupted for the next days, weeks, who knows. It didn't change it at all. Did it change the Cavendish, the blue Java, the red, the ladyfinger, the ladyfinger? That didn't transfer the style at all. That's weird. Let me try it again. Copy image, paste, make a new styled infographic based on this image. We won't give it more than one instruction. Nano Banana is not good with more than one instruction. They say it's because they got inundated with new customers. Well, that's possible too. It's possible that Anthropic's so what the other thing that Anthropic did is they made it really easy for you to import your memory files from ChatGPT into Claude. And ChatGPT is sucking so bad right now that people are like, I want out. So Anthropic made it really easy to do that. That could be the other reason. What's AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. So if you don't know the story behind Amazon Web Services, it's really cool. Okay, so here's our new chart. Exploring bold yellow aesthetics and designs. No. No, I still want it to be a fruit infographic, but with the style of the image I uploaded. You dumb. If you don't know the story behind AWS, what the deal was this. Every November, December, instead of people going to the mall, they would go to Amazon and they would buy shit. And Amazon servers would crash. And so Amazon had to buy, all these extra servers for the holiday rush. And what they realized was those servers were sitting unused for 10 months out of the year. And they thought, well, we'll offset our cost, our capital investment, by charging, pennies per gigabyte of storage. And we'll make just a super efficient storage locker for everyone's data. And then that part of their business overtook the profitability of the retail business. On Tech Radar, they have 120 billion parameter LLM pocket supercomputer. Who is that? Apple? Who has that, Wolfman? Wolfman Clint. Hey, it's Wolfman Clint. Who has that? Who has it? I want to go look. All right. I can see clearly now the rain. Make the image. God damn it. Make the image. Is that technically what data lakes are? I think they just call it cloud computing. I think data lakes are different. Let's go ask ChatGPT that. I think data lakes are different. I think there's something about, oh, this is the image I made for my paw print article. I don't know if you saw that, but on LinkedIn, I said, why your job is like paw prints in the sidewalk. It's a fun article. What is the difference between a data lake and cloud storage like AWS? I would imagine there are probably data lakes within AWS, but I don't know. Did Adam go viral over the weekend? No, he didn't go viral, but he's got some interesting comments. Short answer, cloud storage is the place. A data lake is the way you organize it and use data at scale. Cloud storage, AWS S3, that's what you use at Storyvine. Think of this as a giant, very cheap digital warehouse. It's the raw object storage in the cloud. You basically save your files there. A data lake is an architecture and a discipline for storing and analyzing large amounts of raw data. It typically uses cloud storage underneath. What makes something a data lake? Stores structured and semi-structured and unstructured data, has a schema on read, structure applied when you query. Oh, that's interesting. Has a metadata catalog layer, has governance and organization. Okay, so a data lake is basically like we've made file folders for you. It's not that, it's more than that, but it's just fancy organized. Did I share this? Yes. Okay, back to this. Exploring cyber fruit aesthetics and design. It got really confused now. Look at it got really confused. Exploring cyber fruit. This is one of the problems with Nano Banana. When it goes off the rails, you cannot get it back on the track. So we'll start over. Okay. Let's see. I think I should be able to branch. Okay, so right after here, can I branch this? Draft an email, export the docs, listen. No, I can't. That's a drag. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to copy this. We're going to do a new chat. Black bar. Sorry about that. Did your talk get hacked? No, it's a fake talk. You'll notice there's two L's. It's AI Learning Lab. You'll notice it's AI LL, AB, or Learning Lab. That's a fraudulent account. They stole all my content. I mean, I can go look at my account and see if it's been hacked, but I don't think so. Nope.
Announce and invite you to check out the greatrepurpose.com. We're all about to go through it.
Yeah, man. AI's about to get it, make us go through it, man. Where did I just lose screen sharing? I did. All right, we're redoing the research. We're going to paste in the image here. That image of 6 images. So there's our thing. I'm going to paste this in, and then I'm going to say, use this image as inspiration for an infographic that brings your data to life. Let's leave it more simple. See how that does. I have this issue when using Gemini for any long form writing. All I can really do is start a new chat. It's surprisingly incapable of pulling out of a tailspin. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, right? Black bar. Gotcha. All right. So tomorrow night is AI Salon Presents. We have Robert Stubbs is going to be presenting. He's a creative professional motion graphics guy who's totally embraced AI. Oh, this is cool. Global fruit innovation. It's actually cool. Can you all see this? Why is it not zooming? Oh, because I didn't change my tab back. Because I'm a loser, baby. Why don't you sue me? Sue me? Kill me. Think kill me. Global fruit innovation, new varieties, market trends. Yeah, here, global dragon fruit from this research is 4.1 billion. That sounds more right to me. 20 billion seemed ridiculous. Okay, is this the mango, global mango? What's this? Functional snacking boom. Banana flour and freeze-dried market up. The trend in, I don't know if you knew this, but the trend in bananas is the TR4 resistance. The trend in mangoes is premium air freight. The dragon fruit. Oh, that's cool. Look at the rat holding dragon fruits. Well, there you go. So Nano Banana could do some shit. All this shit remains janky. Janky. All right, people. What do you think? Comments, questions? I DM'd you the link in TikTok. Oh, cool. World's smallest LLM pocket supercomputer, Tech Radar. All right, let's go look at this. Tabs, I know. Wait, why? Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Settings? Did I click something? The hell was that? Oh, and I'm frozen? Oh, I think my machine is not happy. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that comment already. Screen share. Okay. World's smallest AI supercomputer achieves a world record with 120 billion parameter LLM support on device. What I don't understand, though, is how it does over-the-air hardware upgrades. Well, it doesn't. Or maybe it does. But if you're connecting shit to the internet, do you really need to carry around 120 billion parameter model in your pocket? This just seems like a ridiculous tech boner. This is a Kickstarter campaign, I think. Oh, maybe. Tiny, an American startup, has released the AI Pocket Lab, a pocket-sized AI supercomputer capable of running large language models locally. This is a mini PC, world's fastest mini PC. The thing I saw is that someone hacked the M series chips of Apple and got them to do some crazy amount of speed. Let's see. M4 hacked. Hacked? I don't know if it was hacked. Yeah, here we go. Black bar. Your machine is not happy. Yeah, my machine is not in a good way. Okay, this is fucking cool. A dude trained an AI model on his MacBook by hacking into Apple's M4 chip. He hacked into Apple's inference accelerator found in the M4 chip, which turned it into a mini transformer, 80 times more efficient than NVIDIA A100 GPUs. Huh. Someone hacked into Apple's undocumented sensor interface, reading the hidden MEMS accelerator and gyroscope inside Apple Silicon MacBooks. They all have a secret MEMS accelerometer and gyroscope. Now that's different. Let's see. Apple Silicon LLM training hack. This is Alex Finn talking about the importance of these QWEN models. Here, let's see. Someone reverse engineered Apple's neural engine and trained a neural network on it. Apple never allowed this. Apple Neural Engine is inference only. No public APIs, no docs. They cracked it open anyway. Why it matters. 6.6 teraflops per watt versus 0.08 for an N100, 80 times more efficient, or an A100. 38 tops is a lie. Real throughput is about 19 teraflops. Your Mac Mini has this chip sitting mostly idle. Translation, local AI inference that's faster and uses almost no power. Still early research, but the door is now open. I don't know. This is the kind of shit. Go hackers, go. Figure out Apple's hardware before they do. They're not doing anything with it. All right, kids. I'm going to get out of here. I'm a little crispy. My hair's standing up funny. Hey, tomorrow. We'll be a little bit late here tonight, but you should come to the AI Salon Presents meeting. You really want to see Robert Stubbs talk about how he's using AI as essentially a radical self-expression engine. You know, he's taking his creative ideas and rather than just doing a thing, he's doing a suite of things. He did something for his friend that he's going to show off that's really cool. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, mods. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for acknowledging the mods, because I sometimes forget that. Thank you, mods. Thank you, producer Brandon. Vicky, whoever's here that's helping out, I really appreciate it. So the AI Salon Presents meeting is 5 p.m. Mountain Time tomorrow. It ends at 7. And then I'll be here probably 8:30. I need to get home and, have dinner and whatever, do stuff. So probably be 8:30 tomorrow night. All right. Beautiful. Well, I hope that was fun. We did some stuff. I was in a silly mood. The man on the YouTube, kind of funny. All right. Peace out. And I will talk to you soon.